Let's make a lemon ginger tonic. Here's what you'll need: a high-powered blender and the ingredients. You'll need 1 whole lemon, 1 small piece of fresh ginger, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, a teaspoon of cinnamon, I like to use Ceylon cinnamon, and a cup of water. Make sure that water is filtered and not from tap. And let's go. Take all of your ingredients, put them in your blender, blend it up till smooth, and you can pour it over ice and enjoy its health benefits. Make sure that you take that lemon and use the whole lemon. So why do you want to drink this lemon ginger tonic? Well, here are some powerful health benefits. First, it boosts immunity. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system, while ginger has antimicrobial properties that can help prevent infections and colds. It also aids in digestion. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, improving food breakdown and reducing bloating. Lemon juice helps balance stomach pH, making digestion more efficient. It also supports weight loss. Ginger has thermogenic properties that can boost metabolism, while lemon aids in detoxification, reduces water retention, and makes it a great addition to a weight loss plan. It also reduces inflammation. Both ginger and lemon have anti-inflammatory effects, helping reduce pain and swelling in conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. It also can detoxify the body. Lemon acts as a natural detoxifier by stimulating liver function and helping flush out toxins. Ginger enhances circulation and promotes sweating, aiding in detoxification. It also can improve skin health. The antioxidants in ginger and lemon help combat free radicals that contribute to aging. Vitamin C in lemon boosts collagen production, keeping skin firm and youthful. It also can relieve nausea. Ginger is well known for its ability to ease nausea, whether caused by motion sickness, pregnancy, or digestive issues. Drinking ginger lemon juice can help calm an upset stomach. So when do you want to drink this? For maximum benefits, first you can drink it in the morning to kickstart your day. Start with a glass on an empty stomach for best results. Also, stay consistent. Regular consumption yields long-term health benefits. Pair with a healthy diet and active lifestyle for optimal well-being. Thanks for tuning in to Wellness This Way. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this. Hit that bell icon for future notifications. I'll see you next time.